Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI. What would you say if I told you that this WHATAFIT foldable weight bench made my at-home gym a reality? I was over the moon when I finally got this for my husband. We have been trying so hard to set up a home gym for him and myself in our garage, and this was the first piece of the puzzle we had to get to make it happen. I just absolutely loved the design of this weight bench. It is made of high quality leather material that covers all the parts that you are going to put your body up against, so it feels nice and soft and comfortable. The padding really makes such a big difference. I love how it is very easy to fold. It comes with little pins that you can put in to move the paddings for your legs, adjust the seat part of it, and the backrest has a lot of those options where you can fit into the groove to decline or incline, which is so important for when you are needing to do a variety of workouts. There are so many different positions that are important to make sure you don't injure yourself and to ensure that you get the best workout. It can hold up to 600 pounds, which is good for my husband who weighs about 180, and he can be holding up to possibly 90 pounds in each hand. Fit it under a bed, behind a couch. We have a hookup setup that we can just put a piece of wood in between it and then hang it up. If you are wanting to do an at-home gym, a foldable good quality weight bench is essential to that. So definitely go check it out because that's my point of view.